Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2022 Kia Telluride EX. This comes in a gray exterior with a black interior. Nice wood grain accents there as well. We have a sunroof and blind spot assist. Come around to the back of the vehicle, and we've got our Kia and Telluride badging, as well as a power opening and closing trunk. This vehicle does have third row seats that can also fold down if you need a little bit extra storage. Take a look at the back of the vehicle here. Rear seats and the third row seats. Quick look up at the front of the vehicle. Driver door controls, driver seat controls, and the driver's seat. Steering wheel. Mileage in this vehicle is currently 14,299. And with push button ignition. You can see here's our navigation system, radio, and backup camera. So we have climate control right here, shifter, and center console. Now, if you'd like to see any photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.